Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. So today I am in the four-part area. Yeah man, so thank you all for stopping by. So this is your tour guide Fire Reid, giving an update in this area. Yeah man, a long time I not come in place here. So I'm giving an update 2024. So this is the four-part area, can take you all to Claremont in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, big up all the people them from in the Claremont area who's watching from Canada, USA, Antigua, Bahamas, all over the world. Big up on yourself, giving a tour of that area there, you know. So if you're new to the channel, please indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, kindly indicate where you're watching from. This is your tour guide, your Jamaican tour guide. Rural area and the countryside. This area can take you all to Ginger Hill. You know Ginger Hill, we get some nice sweet pine fresh off of the farm. So we can't forget them area. Can't forget them area, man. So this is an update in this area. Look at the road condition. A lot of people want to see them place, so them place look same way. So you're gonna have a little bit of a lonely area when you just started. It's a little bit lonely. But we know a lot of people know that area, so they know how the area set up, what to look for. But what about the person who don't know? So you get a chance to see how the area set up. So I think the closest town here would be the Newmarket town, Santa Cruz, Black River. Yeah man. The road are kind of close, you know, so when you see somebody that come up from early, you kind of stop, put yourself in one position so the other vehicle can pass. Do you understand? The road them is very, very narrow. A lot of people scared for travel them road here because of how the road them kind of narrow and scary. I have some beautiful fans living in that area, you know, some beautiful fans from Canada. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Remember, I do a video for you all in this area. Wow, what a nice view. This view is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Look how much banana tree the people them plant, man. So you see, we have a lot of lands around us and we don't use up land. If even to plant a banana tree every day you plant one banana tree and you see how much banana you can have for the year, you could be one of the greatest producer of bananas in Jamaica. I think we don't really use up our head wisely. You hear people them say a chapter a day keep the devil away. That's reality. So plant a sucker a day and you see the benefit you will reap from it. So a lot of people gonna drive through, going through the hills when they're going to from middle quarters area through New Market. This place kind of remind me of it, and the two sides of the road kind of remind me of that area. When you go up through New Market, them place there. As I said, don't watch the road. Watch the location where you're going. Some beautiful location behind some bad road you're traveling in Jamaica. Very beautiful. Time and go through them places, you know, you don't really want to splash up nobody, you know. Don't want to splash up nobody. See the pothole them. Maybe I drive take a time and drive and go down in a pothole and splash somebody. Don't know what it can cause in some area. So please take your time. So I need to blow the horn and make them know what I go on so I come round. So I'm driving about 8 minutes and you don't see any form of house close by on the main, so just look out for that. That don't mean it's not a very nice area. Until you reach your destination, you will see what you want to see. See me approach a corner right now, make sure I blow my horn. Be careful of the bike guys. If you can't drive, you know, if you're scared of hill and valley, you can't drive at them places. Yeah. See a lot of coconut tree on your left. So them people here supposed supposed to be very healthy in this area. The heart is supposed to be very healthy. Drinking a lot of coconut water. Some people will appreciate this video who live in this area, who don't travel for a long time, come to Claremont from the Four Part area. This is a ditch right here. Be very careful. So, welcome to Claremont. Yeah, man, so we are in the Claremont area. So, anybody know that area in the Claremont? Leave in the comment section and say, yes, Fire Reid. Big up all the Claremont people, them. Big up on yourself. So I'm driving on B6. Very beautiful place. soil over that area, you can do a lot of farming. You can farm pumpkin, cucumber, dasheen, cocoa. So we're now in the Line Gate area. Big up on yourself to all the Line Gate area massive them. Big up on yourself, one love and one heart, you know.